Kamusta soy? My name is JP of Random Builds, and in this video we will try to recreate some Pinterest home decor on a budget. For our first project, we will try to upcycle this pendant light na ginawa ko last year. So basically, wala tayong gagastusin dito. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya. Ayan. Ganito ako, pero hindi ko alam kung kaya ng editing powers ko. Basta yan, ganyan siya. Or kung ano man lumabas sa screen nyo. For our second project, we will try to recreate this watercolor abstract wall art. So for this project, gagamit ako ng watercolor pad na binigay lang sa akin 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago ng office mate ko. Yan, ng wall art. And then, for the frame, we'll be using these frames na nabili namin for 73 pesos. Asan yun? Yan, 73 pesos. And for our last project, we will try to recreate a hanging mirror called Captain's Mirror using this mirror na nabili ko for 140 pesos. And yung sabitan niya, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung ano yung gagamitin ko kung itong synthetic leather na napulot ko dun sa gamit ng nanay ko, and or this belt na sa nanay ko din kasi wala akong gamit dito sa Tarlac. Let's start working. This pendant light is so easy to do, and for sure nakita nyo na siya sa internet before. And for this one, gagamitin ko lang ulit itong vase na nabili ko from last year sa Japan Homes ata or Daiso for 88 pesos, wire, and Edison bulb. For the wooden wall bracket, gagamitin ko lang itong recycled wood from this old canvas frame. After mabuo ng ating wall bracket, magdidrill lang ako ng paglalagyan ng wire ng pendant light. For the wire, I decided to spray paint it para mag-match siya sa frame ng pendant light natin. And then, assemble it. For the watercolor abstract wall art, gagamitin ko lang tong watercolor pad na regalo sa akin ng anchor ko sa dati kong trabaho, and of course, watercolor. Again, anyone can do this project. You can experiment until you achieve yung design na gusto mo. You can go wild and crazy in picking shapes and colors. Ako, I tried 4 different designs until masatisfied ako sa design na ina-achieve ko. For our last project, in-spray paint ko lang yung pinaka-frame ng mirror using flat black spray paint. Para sa magsisilbing handle, I decided to use the synthetic leather instead of the belt. For this, sinukat ko lang yung haba ng gusto ko and tinahi ko lang siya. Then, attach it sa magkabilang side ng mirror using screw. And there you have it. Dakala salamat king pamanalbe at iyo kakalimong mag-subscribe at abayan niyo ko kareng tutuki ko pang DIY videos.